What's up, YouTube? It's your boy here, man. Boy, you tripping TV. We're back here with another unboxing video today. I got the unboxing of some Rick Owens. They call it double bumpers. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video, subscribe. I'm not gonna be talking too much. I just want to tell everybody thank you for supporting my content. If you're watching my video right now, thank you. Be sure to hit that like button. Go low, comment something positive or anything that you want to comment. But like I said, the support on the channel is going up. 2025 is my year to keep going with the content, whether it's unboxing or anything. I'm gonna get out and do some content for y'all too. Don't worry about that. Let's get into this video. With that being said, stay prayed up. Thank you. God bless y'all. Y'all be blessed out there. Y'all stay safe. Let's get into it. Alright, so today we got this big old box here, as you guys can see here. From Farfetch. Farfetch sent me this big old box. I don't know why. It's all taped up with a lot of tape all over it. It's so weird. I guess so the product don't get all messed up, right? Do it like this because I don't even see that back. No video. Okay. What the hell is this? I don't even know. One big old box here. Rick Owens here. Check these boys out. Rick Owens, let's get into it. Throw the box up. I love him already. Yes, I love him. Okay, you gifted with a card here from Rick Owens himself. No wrapping paper. Comes with a dust bag or a carrying bag. Pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all the shoes. Close this box back up. But this is some nice stuff here. I don't want to mess the box up. I love the box. You feel me? The box is something important to have, you know. You guys see the box here, plain Jane box. Not nothing too much, show you the size and everything. Okay, Rick Owens himself. The shoes, I got the double bumper here. You don't see a video on these at all on YouTube. Make sure you drop a like on this video. I'm the first person who bought these. These shoes itself running me like $700 or $800 itself. Yes, Rick Owens himself. You guys can see. I love these shoes. Yes, I already love these boys. I'm gonna wear the hell out of them. These boys gonna be my favorites. Yes, I already know. Look how they feel. And they not fake. Not no Temu shoes. Look at these. Check them out. You got says dark shadow, and it says right here, made in Italy. If you guys can see right there in the back, they're made in Italy. You see that, made in Italy. I got these as well, and then it comes in the card here. I don't know what comes in here. But it says dark shadow itself. Just basically telling you about the product it is. Yeah, it ain't nothing in here. I don't know what the hell it came with it. I guess just make the product look like, make it more legit, because it is real. These are Rick Owens. So I'm trying these on for y'all. Get a free review for y'all. Y'all gonna get a free review. Make sure y'all drop a like on these videos, because unboxing stuff, what I buy, I do this to, you know, let y'all see it yourself as well. I don't have to, but I do it because I want to. When I buy this stuff, I want my subscribers to see it, what I wear in my videos and stuff, so they don't be surprised and be scared. Cause I ain't no broke person. You feel me? 2025 becoming hard. I love Rick Owens, I love Chucks, I love all types of star shoes. Let's get it. We love y'all. We see y'all with these boys on right now. You ready to see the shoes on my feet? Let's get it, man. All right. Take on a detour. Check them boys out. Them boys hard, ain't them? Come with a carrying bag as well. The first YouTuber that ever had these boys on my feet. Come on now, niggas can't do what I do. I started culture. I started something for the culture, man. Hey, I'm gonna set the camera, let y'all see me. Y'all wanna see me? Here it go. Rick on my feet. Rick on my feet. Rick on my feet. These bitches don't get dirty regardless. It don't matter. They're expensive shoes. If they supposed to get dirty, clean them up if you want to or whatever. It don't matter. But y'all niggas already know what the fuck going on. We already got them on our feet. We had them, so y'all niggas ain't never had them. So it is what it is. I'm a real nigga. Fuck you talking about, bitch. Alright, we out. Peace. I'm out. I'm gone. Unboxing Rick Owens. Let's do the unboxing of the Rick Owens. Okay, so you get a card with the Rick Owens. Get a card. Get a bag. What's up, y'all? Unboxing video on the Rick Owens double bumper low tops. Let's get it. So what you get with that, you get a card with this. That's pretty much it. You get a card, then you get a carrying bag. Here's the shoes itself. Like you said, that carrying bag, it's a nice detailed carrying bag, I'm not gonna lie. Carrying bag is included with it. It has dark shirt on it. I don't know if you guys may want one of these, but you guys can check it out for yourself. The shoes are right here itself. Let's check out the shoes. Look at these boys. They're really very nice. They're double bumpers. I like them. Bottom said the same thing on them. Alright, y'all drop a like. We out. Peace. Okay, here's the outside feet review on the Rick Owens double bumpers. Y'all can see how these boys got me feeling. Yes, sir. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love these boys. I'm impressed. Look at them. Okay. Fuck you out here rocking Rick, but you out here on niggas. That shit don't make no sense.